Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 bootable USB for unsupported computers. So you can install Windows 11 for any unsupported computers or laptops. So let's get started. So first off, I'm going to download Windows 11 ISO file. So type in Windows 11 ISO and you can get it from official Microsoft website. There you go. Installation media Windows 11 disk image ISO. So select download, select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, download, select English language, (64-bit). So once the download process is complete, just open another page and type in rufus.ie and then download the latest version of it. So once that's downloaded, cross it and then go into your downloaded files, right click on it and run as administrator, click yes. Select your USB drive. So I'm going to use a 8GB USB drive. Disk or ISO file select, and then from your downloaded select the ISO file, partition type MBR, and from here drop down option select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM or no secure boot, select that and you can write the volume name, let's say Windows 11, and click start. So once the process is complete, just close it or press here, close it, and then go into your files. You can see the setup bar is here, so you can restart your computer and start the installation process. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you find this video helpful.